Why are black men like this? Wait, why are we like this? Why are we like this? Why is it that it is very easy for us to betray our generation, to lie because of power, because of money, or because of small business you have that you are protecting the interest? Now, wait a minute. Nobody is telling you that Tinubu told US that there was Christian genocide in Nigeria. Nobody is telling you this. Nobody is telling you that this current president under Jonathan told the whole world that there is a Christian genocide. No, nobody is telling you. Nobody will tell you this. Why is it that black men are so selfish, greedy, wickedness? This is witchcraft. Nobody's talking about this. You see why I am always scared of you people. I'm scared of black man. Because if they have just a little business and they don't want government to come after their business, they can lie. They can lie, put on a lie that will destroy their generations to come. They don't care. Black men don't care. Even though they just have a supermarket in Abuja, in Lagos, they don't want government to come after the supermarket. They can lie, a lie that will affect their generation because of that business interest. That is black man for you. So wicked set of people. You know why I'm angry like this? They want Tinubu that time. Okay? They want Tinubu. These politics that you people are playing, they wrote to UN. UN had a sitting. That is what is pissing me off right now. I saw so many pseudo intellectuals in Nigeria. They never knew that Nigerian government told US that there was a Christian genocide in Nigeria. Nobody remembered it again. They never knew that Nigerian officials wrote to UN. UN had a security sitting. Go and fact check me. Go to their website. They had a security meeting on sectarian killing in Nigeria. Tinubu and APC, ACN, CPC, they did this. They were reporting Jonathan. Stop Christian killing. Stop Christian genocide. That time Boko Haram was very powerful. Boko Haram gave ultimatum to Christians leave the northern part of the country. We were watching. They masterminded Chibok girls. Chibok girls never happened. It was not a kidnap. That was a politically abduction. They did everything against Jonathan. Like, that time, I am not this exposed. I know what was going on. I knew everything, but I was not exposed like this. I was watching them. And many people went to America to meet Obama, that evil Obama. That Obama is very evil. I saw Aisha Yusuf and the rest bring back our guests. I fold my hands. I don't have a voice, even though I am talking. Someone in my room can't hear me. I was there. I saw, oh my God, this is terrible. Free Shaibu. Free this one. Free this one. There is a Christian killing in Nigeria. Now, the US, you've reported all these things to because Barack Obama administration is a devil incarnate administration. They don't mind even though everybody in Nigeria is terminated. They are not interested. Now, Donald Trump came in and saw the report you people reported. First administration. He put Nigeria a country of particular concern because of what Tinubu and the rest reported. Now, Joe Biden came back. Obama said, this problem, now we cause some remove the country out of country of particular concern. They remove it. Trump came back. He saw that the same problem is still existing. So, tell me, where did Donald J. Trump get it wrong? No, tell me. You people think you can fool everybody? You can't fool everybody. No, you can't fool everybody. This was the politics you people were playing. Christian genocide, Christian this, Christian that. The truth is that there is. Yeah, that is the truth. But my anger with you people is that the Tinubu, CBC of Buhari, these people who championed this cause to remove Jonathan are now today in power. You see how karma works? No, do you see how karma works? Everybody's now saying, no, there is no Christian genocide, blah, 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 blah. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I blame the fake media houses we have in Nigeria. All of them. I blame them. All these fake media houses. A government official will step in Chinese television. Shewokin Baloye, who have been on since right from time, he's old in this game. He knows the truth. But Shewokin Baloye will keep quiet because Tinubu is in power and allow someone to come to Chinese television to say that there is no Christian genocide. However, the same administration, their cohorts, all this Rebadu, Tinubu them, They champion this cause. Shewo Kibaloye don't have the liver to put it to them that you people champion this cause to you and to America that there was a Christian genocide. Why is it that you people made a U-turn? Because you are in power? This is a bullshit, man. Like, I am fed up with you people. You see, you can't intimidate everybody like this. Like, what you champion is what you are say, hey, these people want to do this, and so what? And so what? Is Nigeria the only country in the world? Why do we have 10 terrorist organizations striving successfully in Nigeria? The head of Defense Intelligence Agency told you that these government officials are sponsoring this Islamic jihadists to implement Sharia. The head of Nigeria Intelligence Agency, who have served for 30-something years, who am I to talk when that such a man is talking? You understand? Right from time you people are doing collusion, do Ruga, do this. You people even have the guts to come and tell us that you imported bandits into the country. Bandits that have killed almost 1 million people. See, if it is China, you people are supposed to be facing a fire squad. All of you. So when I look at gullible people, poor people like me and you understand? Trying to follow the politicians' dancing step, not the truth. It gets me pissed off. You people jump into Nigeria issue, you don't know the background. You understand? I am a current affairs type. Right from my primary school, secondary school, I'm a current affairs type. So I know all these things right from time. So many people jump into what is going on in Nigeria. They start talking from where they are. No, all these things, they are backgrounds to it. We know all these things. We know all these things right from the beginning. They are backgrounds to all these things. So don't let any person to come and deceive you, to tell you this, to tell you that. Where were your fathers? Where were your politicians? Where they killed 800 Christians a day after Boko Haram declared that Christians should leave the north. That was the day UN had a city. Where were these politicians? They were busy firing Jonathan, writing to US, snapping picture. They don't kidnap Chibokes again. No, US come and save us. This one do this. This one do that. This is where you are. Now, Ted Cruz says no going back. They must scrap Sharia law in Nigeria. Either you have a Nigerian constitution, punto. If you don't want to have Nigerian constitution, then you say you want a Sharia law, then divide the country. You can't be killing Christians in the name you want to implement Sharia. The whole terrorist organization in Nigeria say they want to implement Sharia, and the Sharia is embedded in the Nigerian constitution. Who is deceiving who? See, this is not the time to play. This is the time to tell the truth. If you say the truth, you die. If you did not say the truth, you die. The terrorist organizations like the Al-Qaeda struck day before yesterday now in Nigeria. Al-Qaeda is just Sharia. They don't have two words in their mission. Give us Sharia, that is Al-Qaeda. Boko Haram said, oh, we want Sharia states. We don't want Western education. ISWAP, who broke up, says it's not only Nigeria we want. Boko Haram is concentrating on Nigeria. Boko Haram is weak. ISWAP said they want to concentrate in the whole Africa. Wuno enter. Nakurawa enter. Nakurawa came in Nigeria. Imagine the chief of defense staff, Christopher Musa, retired now. He said that when they came into Nigeria, they were friendly. Terrorist organization, a terrorist was friendly. Like things that happen in Nigeria, black men, See, the more you see about the things happening in Nigeria, the more you understand why there is no progress in Africa. See, you see what the way Nigeria is, bad roads, this, that. This is just it. They are ready to sell their birthright. They are ready to sell whatever they want to. They don't care. They don't mind. Bullshit. They don't care about anything. They give the money to tie road, like who and who. They first of all watch who have power in this area. If we didn't tie this road, they saw one chief. They saw one maybe radical guy where they do trouble. They will go. They give that one empowerment. The person will become their boy. They will go to the chief. They bribe the chief. The chief will just endorse them that they are good. They eat the money for the road. Nobody will talk. That's it. Anytime a black man sees money, business, and power, they continue to lie. Clean your mind. Clean this your dirty mind. And be emancipated for the truth. Clean your dirty mind. Be emancipated for the truth. How many years? Okay. People who are talking, some persons will call me, Sokocha, my son, this. You know, we have experience in years. This. After they have talked, I said, what have you done now? What have you done? All these stories. It is time you clear your mind and accept the truth as it is. So, this is terrible. I'm afraid of a black man. Because a black man don't know the truth. They don't know the truth. What they know is power, money, and business. And that business could be called a fame as well. The business could be called a fame as well. Most of their brothers and sisters are being killed. They have never come to talk about that. The current administration reported to the US that they had sectarian killing against the Christians. And today they are denying it and everybody's trying to dance to that tune. Not me, not to Coach Happy myself. Yes, you can dance to the tune of whoever you want to dance. Nobody is feeding me. You understand? Because they are paying you, you have businesses, they might not give you contract, they might not do you this again. You have to dance to their tune. No problem. To the detriment of your generation. And let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. What is the meaning of all these things going on? What is the meaning of this? So, the truth here is simple. You must stop the Sharia law in Nigeria. You must stop it. And I know it's not possible. And that is where the division will come. People will say, but the Sharia law is for some people in the north. I say they arrested my friend, like a brother to me. They arrested him. Hisba police arrested him. They detained him for 5 days before they let him go. In this country. And you said everything is okay. I don't want to use some words. You understand? Are you mentally disabled? Or do you lack ability to think? No, do you lack ability to think? What is wrong with let people go on their separate ways? Is there anything wrong with it? This is not quarantine. This is not anything bad. Come on. It is enough. People have died enough, okay? People have died enough. Let me tell you, if Benue have their own country, you see that killing, it no go happen. If Benue have their own country, it no go happen. The governor talk saying that senators, they support them now. Benue State Governor, the incumbent governor, Reverend Father Leah Hyacinth, he said they carried out judicial panel of inquiry and they discovered that senators are sponsoring the killing in Benue. If he's the owner of the state, like a country, who born you? Who born you to import people to come and kill people in Benue? Who born you? You don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Just keep quiet. I pity someone like Gowon. I just pity someone like Gowon. His state is a reference point in Plateau State. This is a man who fought a war that killed 5 million people because he wanted to keep this thing one. He wanted to keep Nigeria one. He killed 5 million people. His people that have died since then is more than 5 million self. You know how many people that have died since 1960 something in Plateau State? Don't you know record of everyday death? Come on. Karma is pursuing Nigeria. This is karma. Anyway, I am Okocha myself. I'm a conflict and insecurity reporter. I was able to know all these things because I have interest in this issue of security or insecurity right from time. So I've been following all these things. I know what is going on. Don't let anybody to deceive you. If Tinubu you are supporting now still comes down from power today, Tinubu is still telling that there is a Christian genocide. That is how black men are. This is the way we are. This Tinubu you are supporting, if Tinubu comes down from power today, Tinubu will still be the one that will tell them, yes, there was a Christian genocide. You know, during our administration, we stopped it. That was why we were defending that there were no Christian genocide. Then after our administration, this current administration that entered now is still competent, blah, blah. This is the way they still come and tell you. Anyway, let me know what you think about this. See you on my next video.